Hi my lovelies, and welcome back to my channels. I am still on the same series of wonders. So here, as you can see, I'm going to teach you how I teach wonders during the story time. So here I just ask the kids, what do they think the story is going to be about? What do they see? Try to get their creativity going right here. Then we jump right into the story. So here we will point with our pointing fingers. I'll make sure everybody's pointing, and then they'll read the title together. And then I'll teach them the long A sound, remind them of the long A sound, and ask them which word in the title has the long A sound. Just because this particular story focused on the long A sound. So I want them to focus on the long A sound. So then after the story, we will jump into the answering the questions about the title. So we will once again circle the long A sound and move on. So right here, I will make the audio of the book read the story. After the audio of the book read the story, then me and the kids together will read the whole story. Then after we read the story, we will answer these side questions together. I'll make them put their pointing fingers up in the air and show me what underlining is. Then we'll underline the words together. I'll make them show me their pointing finger and show me how to circle something. Then we'll circle these words together. We'll go through the picture, look at the picture, and circle things through the picture together. And while I'm doing this on the screen, they're also doing this in their book. We wouldn't be moving this fast, of course. We'll answer all these questions, and then once we answer all these questions to this page, we will go on to the next page, the next part of the story. Then I will play the audio first. The audio will read it all the way through. Once the audio finishes reading, we will read it together as a class. And then once we finish reading it as a class, we once again will go through these questions together. Once again, I'll make them show me how to underline and circle things with their fingers. We will continue doing that until we finish the story. Once we finish the story, we will jump to the story retelling. So here you can either play the audio again, or you can have the kids one by one retell the story if they want to get their creativity going. Once we have finished this part, we will do this last section together. I will read it out loud and have them pick which word to go in the right place, and they will tell me which word will go in the right place. And I don't make them look up the page numbers. They simply cannot do that. They're kindergarten. Don't forget that. We will go through all three of these the same way. I'm reading it and make them pick. I'll read the question and make them pick which one is right. And then they will complete it in their books. And that is how we complete the story part of Wonders. Next will be this part.